Akusangeni ngisho umuntu ngoba bawubona ngisho abafundayo library efuna ukuzogcwala la endlini. So nje ngeke ningigadele nasemnyango ukuthi akusangeni umuntu. Achievement. Sibashayile izandla enkulu.
Turned into something that I turned into an action. I became the biggest sinner and I was thrown out of my own father's house. The kingdom that I was supposed to be ruling right now is ruled by someone else. I was sent to earth and hell was made to be my home. The gates of hell have been where I have sat. For all these years, I have given you guys your own sins, have been reading again and again your own deeds, have been giving you again and again the reasons to sin. Because even worshipers in church. Phela kwaqala emzweni wothando ngizizwe ngicebile ngale yandlela usayikhumbula indlela ebenginokuthanda ngayo ke manje sonke lesi sikhathi sami ebengisichitha ngenza lokho kimi sesibukeka njengomsangano isiphambano ngiyasifunga ukukuthanda ngisakuthanda kodwa ukuqhubeka nalolu thando mina ngeke ngisakwazi ngiyahluleka ngoba nasemoyeni ngiyaqhubeka mihla namalanga alipheli nelanga singalwanga singaxabananga ukube ngangazi ukuthi lolu thando lembi ngabe mina kangizanga ngoba uma kuukuthi ngampela lolu hambo esesilihambile Kwasukuma namaqhawe orolihlahla ababesilwela ngomlomo belwela impilo engcono bewa bevuka bengasitholi isikhathi sokuthola ubuthongo okugcineni
is an accident but staying down is a choice. No matter how much it hurts now, someday you look back and realize this struggle is changing life for the better. I mean, don't you dare give up on this life, not tonight, not tomorrow, not ever. It takes a courage to grow up and become who you really are, and every moment is a strive for progress, not perfection. The secret of change is focus all of your energy, but not fighting the old, but on building the new. When there is no vision, the people perish. It is the everlasting battle, it is the pain, the strife, it is the smiling after the journey called life, and why life is an experiment. Don't look where you fell, but where you sleep. To remain silent and indifferent is the greatest sin.
In order for it to be added on our profile. I would like us to applaud Ustil. He has more followers. Basically, in Ngwaduze, he's the most highest followed. So he have about 8.7. I've been stalking you. 8.7 followers on TikTok, Facebook. I'm not sure if he had another account that he's doing on. But this is very important. No matter how little it is.
Zolo lokho besisho kanye sithi akuvela kanye njengamadlebe embongolo unele waphumelelwa usukhohlwa izolo kodwa ngimangazwa yini ngoba umuntu lale phenduka usunekusasa usukhohliwe izolo kodwa mhlawumbe ikusasa yomdinga lo muntu ongasamboni ukuphila naye izolo.
Hello siyaphila
anolwazi sibonga ngakho malo abakazungu kodwa bangangibiza ngozungu ngithanda sona ukuthi bangiforce ekhaya. I understand. Okay, cala siphinde simshayele izandla enkulu.
Bathathu abanikazi. Isidumbu, unina waso kanye nendoda engenagama. Bebathathu abanikazi bafumbethe amagunya angama-24. Igunya eliwugwetshe indodakazi. Eyoniwa abafowabo ngenkathi inqola yezinsuku isaduke emdlinzweni kaSamayeli ngonina wokufa uEva. Yinani labafundi bewuphawu lemthetho engalotshwanga ezibhebheni zikaMozisi 12. Isamba semthetho yokufa, ukubhonxulwa komphefumulo ufongwa, ufakwa emvilophini ikwindla kubhalwa ikheli likandoda akanagama lomlisa owayazi ngale ncwadi ingakabhalwa. Sifike kamumva ke isibeletho.
Ufune kusizwa lamsinda ngoba kwabaningi yaseveza usizo kubona kukho ngisho yedwa seke wabonga ngiyababona behleka nami kodwa inhliziyo zabo zibe zibika okunye omunye wawuthisha uke wathola izandla ekhanda wahlengezela izinyembezi abona umfundi abemfundisa eminyakeni emibale edlule
lapha emnyango wesikole ecela ukumphushela inqola yokudla uthi kumphatha kabi yena ukuthi kuzomela beminyaka neminyaka phambi kwabafundi bafundisa ngethemba lokuthi kusasa bebe utho